Hey, what's up guys? My name is Shanti. I'm a YouTuber and beauty blogger based in Singapore, and a lot of you have been asking me how you can go about starting your own YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to announce to you guys that I am launching my YouTube and blog consultation program, and what this offers is a 45-minute Skype time or Google Hangout time with me. During this period of 45 minutes, I'm going to be walking you through learning more about your intention and your purpose behind your blog and your YouTube channel with a guided outline of things that I did not have anyone telling me. I can't wait to talk to you soon, and make sure that you're going to be booking your consultation slot anytime soon, and we shall be in touch. For more information about this consultation program that I am offering, please go over to my blog at www.dlavy.blogspot.com, and a lot more information will be available there. You're really getting a heads up here and a lot more knowledge expansion for you, just so that you are prepared to know what's next to come, what to prepare, and what you should be doing for a successful blog and YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? I can't wait to speak to you soon, so make sure you go ahead and confirm your consultation slot with me, and we shall stay connected.